Okay, we picked up a few folks here. Our little Peloton grew to like 10. But feeling okay?
Good.
Yeah, that was a good stop, a little rest stop.
Sort of. I didn't complete the membership because
Yes, we left. Drug us all the way down there, but then they so took care of me with all the wound shit. Thank God I came here.
Really got you fixed up then.
Yeah.
Tons feeling.
I feel better about making the whole ride now.
Yeah. I'm grateful for that as well because I know how miserable it can feel. So you rode here? I mean, you joined up from home?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're probably reading like 50 miles now?
47.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's only about 2 miles from my house where I met you.
Okay. I might
The
have.
Cahuenga Pass.
Yeah, you have to go. Right.
Well, that was crazy. Yeah, the road up the Cahuenga Pass was all these cop cars,
Oh.
ambulances.
Uh-huh.
Car on the 101 had like blown out of control over the barrier onto the access road. It was upside down.
Oh,
There
what
were
a.
pieces of car all across the road. I was like having to fit my way through the debris field so I didn't puncture. It was a mess.
Oh.
I don't know what happened to the guy inside. He was gone.
Dejected.
Soon he got sent to the hospital.
Yeah. Oh, being.
When you put a car on it, flipped upside down.
Yeah, all that momentum and all that kinetic energy, you're just like, oh,
Yeah.
oh.
So we go another mile or so. 2 miles. And then it's this real fun downhill. And it's the final part that drops you down into the flats where the farm country is.
Oh, yeah.
You know, in Camarillo.
Where is this place right now? Hidden Hills or something? Yeah, I can't.
Maybe it's what's that road? Newberry Park.
Oh.
Might be Newberry Park. It's the one right before you do on the freeway when you're going up Santa Barbara. It's a big drop down the freeway.
Yes.
That's the equivalent of what we're going to be doing.
Oh, I'm gonna record it.
Oh,
Yeah.
sure. Oh, it's a
Oh,
great.
I'm recording right now. Never mind.
Yeah, get behind a bunch of riders.
Yeah, I got half of us.
That was a real twisty descent.
So I got half of us here. So this is good. I will not weave. I'll just stay like this, you know. Record everybody for the experience.
But I'll critique your camera work
Okay.
that I saw. Is because it's so wide, you have to get closer to the riders ahead of you.
Oh, no.
Try to be as close to them as you can.
Okay.
Because when you're back here, it's just a big wide frame and they look a long ways away in the picture.
Okay.
I use GoPros enough. That's why they're so great, because you can mount them so close to something. Because they're so wide, they pick up a great shot super close. When you pull back, that's not what they're good at. They're super wide, so you don't get a good thick shot of the subject unless you're real close.
Yeah, closer than this even.
Yeah, as close as you can get comfortably.
Yeah, I'm not. I
At
don't.
least for a couple shots, you know. You
Yeah,
can
I'll
move
get.
in, move out.
Which I did a few times with our little group rides. A couple times we got close, which was really nice.
Wouldn't pass you. Yeah. Those are the key shots, the ones you're going to go for editing.
I think I tried a little bit of that at Montrose last weekend.
There you go. How was Montrose?
That was, I enjoyed it. You know,
Yeah, I used to like it, and then I grew to hate it.
grew to hate it for because it's so crazy, or
Yeah, and I just, there's all these fighters showing up who are not, they're not particularly skilled, young, they don't know etiquette.
oh,
So, it's just a little bit of a scrum for me. And if you don't stay near the front, it's not, it's kind of a harder experience. People getting dropped real quick. You got to call out to get back.
a couple of times that happened to me because I was taking Anthony's advice is to stay left and
You
back.
want to wait up here? You want to wait for the rest?
Yeah, we kind of,
Where we drop?
yeah, let's hang out a little bit, guys.
You guys have been on this hill before, right? Yeah. It's fun. I love going down the hill. We're going the right direction.
Yeah. Okay, the group is coming. They are. I like this. for a first time. Nothing went wrong, and
It's one of the ones where it's like every once in a while, I really want this.
Yeah.
It's a great thing, and you're gonna get it out.
oh, I did. My leg was sore for a couple of days.
You do the short or the long.
I stuck with the short because I didn't know the sensations.
The long is definitely people who are more psyched. So when they're feeling good, do the long. It adds like 6 miles to the total. They just gotta go further out on the route.
Yeah, I remember doing that once on our own.
Yeah.
It goes out
We got everybody, right? Nope.
San Dimas or something, right? That street, San Dimas. There's a hill leading to that, so it's kind of like, okay. So I was thinking about, because I saw when we got to that Gladstone, like a third of the cyclists turned that way. I went, but the majority went straight. So I went, okay. All right, here we go.
turn the right, pull in so you can wait.
Okay.
Everybody catch on.
Right on.
Grab it.
Yeah.
I mean, I glanced a little bit.
Stopping here. Yep. Car up, car up.